It's very important that physicians listen to their patients. And one of the wonderful things about the Jackson system is that all of our doctors spend a lot of time with our patients. The way I want patients to feel when they come to the office is that they met someone who really cares about their health, who has the knowledge and the skills to make them better, and someone who's going to be honest with them about their problem and what the options are. There are a number of new advances in the treatment of cardiovascular disease. The most recent ones has been in the area of heart valves. In the past, heart surgery was the only option. Nowadays, we can do valve implants without having to open the chest. Oh, it's very exciting. I'm Dr. Alex Ferreira, and I love doing my work here at Jackson Memorial Hospital. There are three things that we do here mostly. We are medical doctors, we are physician scientists, and we are teachers. I know I'm not going to be here forever, and we need to pass the knowledge to the new doctors, and they can take over where we started.